OR gate is used in applications like parity checking. Sometimes there is a question, what is the meaning of parity? Parity means what? Extra bit added into the given string of the data. If you are having any data and in this string you are adding an extra bit, so why we are adding this extra bit? What is parity? Basically these are the error detecting, or you can say error checking techniques, or you will study in your future Hamming technique, parity checking technique. These are the few techniques. Code conversion, you can say addition of binary numbers. Now here is the word binary numbers no addition. Binary number addition means what? You should have, for the addition you should have two numbers, minimum two numbers. So for the addition of two numbers there is a one circuit. You can say addition means what? The circuit which adds the two content is a adder. So for the addition of two numbers there is a half adder. There is a one circuit which is known as a half adder which adds two numbers. There is another circuit which is for the more than two inputs, that is three input. So if you are having three inputs, then the circuit becomes full adder, and this half adder and full adder circuits for the addition. Comparing the equality of two words, you can use this XOR gate. Let I show you how to implement the XOR gate, or how to implement this half adder using XOR gate on the board. Half adder circuit is the application of this XOR gate, is XOR gate application. So first of all let me see what is the function of adder. The function of adder is to add the two numbers, but here the meaning of half adder will add the two digits only. You can say, let me make the truth table. For the two inputs, let is input A and input B. Suppose both are 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, and it is having output Y. But what is more important? You should know the symbol. So symbol for the XOR gate is this. Input is A, B and Y is the output. So what is the equation for this XOR gate? Y equal to A. You can remember like this, is a XOR gate. So OR, first of all, OR means plus. Recall your OR gate equation. Recall your OR gate equation. Equation for OR gate was Y equal to A plus B. So just to consider is A plus B, somewhat extra, make one. This is the equation for the XOR gate, but you cannot remember like this. So it is again simplified like this, is nothing but A bar B plus A B bar. This is the final equation for Y, and it is XOR gate. Now let me form the half adder circuit. So to form half adder means the circuit which is used to add two numbers. Suppose the number is, suppose you want to add 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. You can say 1 plus 0 is 1. But in binary 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1. 0 is the sum and 1 is the carry. So you can say A and B are the inputs, and it is given to this XOR gate, and the equation for the truth table for the XOR gate, if both the inputs are 0, output is 0, any input is 1, or you can say odd number of inputs. You check, here are number of ones 1, number of ones 1 is odd. Odd means what? जो ओड नंबर ना हशे तो आउटपुट 1 आवशे, बीजू कई नहीं. जो इवन हशे तो आउटपुट 0. This is the truth table for the, you can say, XOR gate. First of all, this is the truth table for the XOR gate. This is the truth table for the XOR gate. Now let we add two numbers. Let we add two numbers, A, B. When you add, you are having sum and you may have carry. તમારી પાસે carry પણ આવી શકે છે. So 0 0. If you add 0, 0, you will get 0, no carry. If your number is 0 and 1, 0 plus 1 in binary, remember carefully, we are discussing the binary number system. 0, 1 will give you 1, no carry. 1, 0, 1 is the sum, no carry. 1, 1 will give you sum 0 and carry 1. Now, as I told you, if you want to form half adder, then what is this? Sum. What is sum? Sum is nothing but this realizes or this shows you the basic XOR gate. This is the truth table for the XOR gate. You try to see over here. This is XOR gate. And try to see this one. Your carry is nothing but you try to check your AND gate. In AND gate, if any input is 0, output 0. Any input 0, output 0. Any 0, output 0. Both 1, then only 1. So half adder is nothing but it is a combination of two gates. XOR gate is having input A and B. At the same time, AND gate is having inputs A and B. So how to realize this circuit? Let I show you. We can realize at this stage. It is having A and B will give you sum from XOR gate. You are getting sum, and for the carry, you should have AND gate. Let I draw one AND gate over here. The input is given to this AND gate, and this. See, this is the half adder. One can design same way full adder, and full adder is nothing but is the circuit which is used to add three numbers A, B and C. But we are not discussing right now is a half adder. चलो આપણે હવે સ્લાઇડ પર જઈએ. So as I told you, XOR gate is nothing but it is sometimes known as an exclusive OR gate, and there are so many applications: parity checking, code conversion, you can say binary addition. I show you how it is used for the addition. I have tried my level best to show you half adder. You can design your full adder, comparison of the two words. Now here is a one word, there is a words. Words means what? The combination of 16 bits, okay, is a word. See, this is the y equal to a bar b plus ab bar is the equation for the particular XOR gate. Here is a symbol for the XOR gate. This is the truth table for the XOR gate. 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. But remember one line, that is if odd number of inputs are there, output is 1. In XOR gate, odd number of inputs, odd number of ones at the input side, output is 1, nothing else. Even number of inputs at the input side, output is 0. This is the, you can say, IC presentation for the XOR gate, which is 1 2 is the input, 3 is the output, 4 5 is the input, 6 is the output, 7 is the ground, and 14 is the your VCC. XNOR gate. What is XNOR gate? XNOR gate is the, you can say, XOR, complement of XOR is a XNOR. XNOR is nothing but you are having output of XOR, and if you try to complement that XOR output, it becomes XNOR, nothing else. This is the presentation for XNOR gate, where you are having, first of all, first presentation is your XOR, then output of that XOR is given to the NOT, and finally you are getting your XNOR, and XNOR presentation is nothing but A plus B plus new per circle and a full complement due to NOT gate. This is the truth table for XNOR gate. What is the truth table for the XOR? In case of XOR, odd number of ones gives you output 1. In case of XNOR, even number of ones will give you output, or even number of zeros, even number of 1 will give you output 1. This is the presentation for the XNOR gate in IC form, integrated circuit form. Standard TTL gates are listed here. Or if you want to buy few ICs from the market, then you remember this table. If you want to buy quad 2 input AND gate, quad means what? Where you are finding four NAND gates or 4 gates in a single package. 4 gates, and each gate is having 2 input. Suppose you want to buy NAND gate, then that IC number is 7400. If you want quad 3 input, it means A, B, C and Y is the output, then IC number is 7410. Dual 4 input means what, your gate is there and that gate is having 4 inputs A, B, C, D. So that is a 7420, and like this there are NAND gate, NOR gate, AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate. See, here is the few words is a positive logic. What is the meaning of positive logic? There is a negative logic. In a logic gate, positive logic means what? Binary 0 for low voltage and binary 1 for high voltage is a positive logic. Positive logic is nothing but 0 for normal, is our normal language. If you want to present 0 is a low voltage, 0 voltage. If you want to present binary 1, that is high voltage. What is high voltage? 5 volt. In digital, 5 volt, nothing else. Negative logic. Negative logic means what? Binary 0 for high voltage and binary 1 for low voltage. Means what? Is a total inverse of positive logic. But friends, you may have, or there may be one question that why there is a negative logic, our routine is positive logic. We are using this word low, 0, high, 1. But why we are studying or why we are learning this negative logic? If you try to see in your processor, if you see in your higher study that sometimes few processors are there which is having active low pins. There is a active low signals. Means what? The signals are there which are getting or which will activate or which are going to be activated only when they are getting the logic 0 potential or logic low potential. That's why we are studying negative logic. Equivalent between positive and negative logic. It becomes tough if you read this, but I will tell you on both positive or equal to negative and how to present this positive or equal to negative, and let I prove this first line and then you may understand another 3 lines, that is positive AND equal to negative OR, positive NOR equal to negative NAND and positive NAND equal to negative NOR. But it is somewhat difficult to listen and or to understand positive or equal to negative AND. That will be remember and we will prove on a board positive or equal to negative AND. So first of all I am writing this statement positive or equal to negative AND. So positive OR means what? This is a is a positive OR and negative AND. So first of all draw the AND gate, make 2 bubbles, and this becomes negative AND. But I want to prove that these two are equal. Let me try to prove. If you see A and B is the input, Y is the output. Basically is a OR. I told you what is the equation for OR. Y equal to A plus B. So if I will get this same equation for this one, then I can justify this one. So suppose the input is A, input is B and my output is Y. So if you try to see, I am applying A to this terminal, but here is a bubble. Bubble means what? I am getting bubble B bar. What is this? This is my AND gate. AND gate means what? Whatever input is there. Right now I am having A bar, I am having B bar. AND gate means what? Dot. There is another bubble means what? I need to do another bar. If you try to solve this equation, you will get like this: A bar and 1 bar from this one, dot plus B bar, another bar from this. If you complement any number 2 times, let I show you. 0 complement will give you 1. 1 complement is 0. Means what? 0 complement 2 times, you will get 0, equal to A plus B. Now you try to see both the outputs. Here for the positive OR, Y equal to A plus B, and for the negative AND, Y equal to A plus B. So I have written one statement that positive OR equal to negative AND. You can justify all other 3 statements like this. Just you need to use De Morgan laws, De Morgan theorem for your simplification. De Morgan theorem, let I told you again, y equal to a b whole bar is nothing but a bar dot becomes plus b bar. This is the first, and De Morgan second, y equal to a plus b whole bar is nothing but a bar plus becomes dot and b bar. If you know these two theorems, then you can simplify or you can explain all the four conditions. Let us try to see on our slide. See, here is the word positive true and positive false. These are the very important words for the logic design. High voltage, positive true. Low voltage, positive false is our routine words. Positive true and positive false. Another word is a negative true and negative false. Low voltage means what? 0 is negative true. High voltage, that is negative false. So finally you can say what is our conclusion or what you can recall from this, that is NOT GATE means what, or what it will do, it will complement all the input. Whatever input is there, basically it is having only one input, that's why it will complement the input is 0, output becomes 1, 1 then 0. For the AND gate, what you can remember, for the AND gate you can recall like this, any input 0, output is 0. This is the one statement for the AND gate. For the OR gate, any input 1, output is 1. For the NAND gate, any input 0, output 1, and for the NOR gate, any input 1, output is 0. And for the XOR gate, odd number of inputs, or if you are having odd number of inputs, that is 0, 1, 1, 0, for the two inputs, output becomes 1. And for the XNOR, even number of inputs, output is 1. So digital logic, basically where you will find all these things, when you study any processor or any controller, you may find such type of topics where you need to do certain calculations, you need to do add two numbers, subtract two numbers, divide two numbers, or you need to compare two numbers. You can use such type of topics, or you can use such type of logic circuits.